So children, triangles basics. If you see, so we are starting with triangles. Okay, triangles. This is not comprehensive, children. This is just basic, where we'll study about the angle sum property and exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Many times we'll study about angle sum property and exterior angle is equal to sum of interior. This is the basic, children. Why means in the future we are going to study about the congruency in the next week. Congruency means SAS congruency, SSS congruency, AAS congruency, all those RHS congruency, all those will come.
So criteria.
Yeah, congruency or criteria. Yes. To study them, first you should be thorough with this. So these are the basics which you studied in the lower classes. Angles and property and exterior angles. This okay. So open the link in the description, children. First one there is a written. It is as example 7. So I will be discussing some numerical some problems. I will discuss. After that, I will be asking one by one. All of you should be ready to say that. Okay. All of you mute your audio devices and keep listening. Okay. Please see here, children. First sum. It is like this. You can see, children, open. All of you please open and see A, B, C, and then what is given, children? This is your D. Okay, and they said this is 135 degrees. This is 135 degrees. I hope everyone are able to see. Okay, and ACD is given as 100 degrees. ACD is given as 100 degrees. This is the question, children. Okay, question is asking find all the angles. Okay, children. If this is 135, this will be how much, children? Anyone?
135.
135. Why, children? Why this is 135?
Vertical opposite.
So vertically opposite angles.
Okay. Can anyone say? Can I say 100 is equal to 135 plus B? Can I say, children? 100 is equal to 135 plus B. Can I say?
Yes.
Why,
Yes,
children?
sir.
Can I see anyone say reason?
Is equal to sum of opposite interior.
Exterior angle property.
Exterior angles is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay. So 135. This is 100, children. ACD. Oh, children, this is just 35, children. I'm sorry. Please see. This is just 35, children. I'm very sorry. Just 35. I wrote 135. Okay. So, children, now if you bring this 100 minus 35 is equal to B. So B is equal to 65 degrees. So B is equal to 65 degrees. How to find out C, children? How to find out C? Linear pair. Okay. Let us use linear pair, children. 100 plus C is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. So all angles I found. Those who did not understand, I am saying this is vertically opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite. I did and I found out this. This is linear pair. Oh, children, I told you, no, these are the basic sums, children. Everywhere either we will use angle sum property or exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. That's all. So exterior angle is equal to interior sum of interior opposite. Exterior is equal to sum of interior opposite. Exterior is equal to sum of interior opposite. Don't forget the theorem. Okay, a small property, children. Okay, next sum. Please go to next sum, next page, second page, next sum. 10 sums I will say, children. After that, I will be asking you one by one, everyone. Okay, these are easy sums, children. Okay, I hope I will just draw figure. You only do, children. I won't say. You only do, all of you. I will be just drawing figure. I will be saying how to do. You only do. Okay. So, children, this is A, this is B, this is C. This is how much they have given 55, and this is 60. Just they are asking you to find out C. I hope you can find out.
So B equal to 40 degrees.
How, children? How? What we will use? A plus B plus C is equal to angle sum property. No one is saying. I told you, please involve in the class. If you don't involve in the class, what happens is that after some days you'll feel bored. Children, angles are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Angles are in the ratio of 1:3 means 1x, 2x, 3x. Anything we can take. So, children, can I write 1x plus 2x plus 3x as 180? Can I write like this, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Angle sum property.
Sir, angle.
Okay, so 6x is equal to 180. So x is equal to how much, children? 180 by 6. That is 30 degrees. Then each angle you should find out, children. How to find out each angle? 1 into 30 is 1x, 2 into 30 is 2x, 3 into 30 is 3x. I hope you can do all these are easy sums. That's why I'm not saying in brief. Okay, third sum. Three angles are in the range. They have given three angles in the terms of x, children. One is x minus 20, it seems, x minus 20. Another one is x minus 40. And children, another one is x by 2 minus 10. X by 2 minus 10. Okay, so apply Angelsum property, children. Again, apply Angelsum property. Okay, can anyone say Angelsum property for this sum, children? Can anyone say Angelsum property for that sum? Anyone wants to give a try?
Sir,
Yeah,
x minus 20 plus
x minus 20 plus
x minus 40
x minus 40 plus
x by 2 minus 10
very good x
is
by
equal
2
to
minus
180
10.
degrees.
Why? What do you like reason?
Angelsum property of triangle.
Angelsum property. Okay, now tell me x plus x by 2 is how much?
Sir, first we need to take LCM, sir.
No, okay. First you say x plus x is 2x plus x by
2x plus x by 2, sir.
Listen,
2
I
plus
will
x
say
by 2
minus 20 minus
minus
40 minus
70
10
minus 70
minus 70 is equal to 180. Take 70 that side, Nana.
is equal to 250, sir. 2x
Yeah.
plus x by 2 is equal to 250.
Now you take LCM easy. You should not
Yes.
panic the students. Okay. So two
Sir,
to
the
the
camera is not visible. Can you slightly bend it, sir? Yes, sir. 4x plus 2x.
no. This
Sorry,
is
sir,
not
x
four x
normal.
plus x is equal to 250.
250 degrees.
Bring it here.
Transposed 500. 5x is equal to 500.
5x is equal to 500. X is equal to
X is equal to 100.
x is equal to 100. So if x is equal to 100, each angle you should find out. One is x minus 20, one is x minus 40, one is x by 2 minus 10, each one. So 100 minus 20, 100 minus 40, 100 by 2
60.
minus 10. This is how much? 80,
80,
60,
60,
50 minus 10,
90,
40. Degrees,
40.
degrees. Like this. You should do, children. You should do, children. It's very, very easy sums. All I said now, these are the basics. If you don't know basics, children, what happens when I'm saying congruency conditions unnecessarily, you'll be having confusion. That's why I'm saying basic sums. These are very easy sums. Almost 25, 30 sums now I will complete off. So that remaining sums you can do on your own. Everyone copy, children. If you didn't copy, at least take this picture. If you didn't take the picture, at least see the video again after the class. Shall I rub it this, children? Shall I rub it? Very easy sums there. Next, okay, fourth sum of it. See here, there's the fourth sum. What they have given means two angles of triangle are equal. Children, see, two angles of triangle are equal. X, X. And third is greater than each of these by 30. Third is greater by 30. Third is greater by 30. Okay. So how you will do, children? Say anyone? Anyone of you?
Sir, x plus 30 is equal to 180.
That's it. This comes here.
Yes, sir. 2x is equal to 150.
3x is equal to 150.
Yeah, 3x x is equal to 50.
So one is 50, one is 50. The other one is 50 plus 30, 80.
80, sir.
Okay. Next, children. There is a small discussion, children. What is if one angle of triangle is equal to sum of the other two? Children, what he's saying means one is y you take, okay, x z. Okay, he's saying one angle is sum of the other two. All of you try to understand. One angle, anyone. Oh no, sir, I will take x is equal to y plus z. You may say your wish, your wish. Or you may say, sir, I will take z is equal to x plus y. Your wish. One angle is sum of the other two.
45, 90.
Yeah, very good. So he's saying one angle is sum of the other two. Show that one of them is 90 degrees. Show that one of them is 90 degrees. So children, normally x plus y plus z is equal to 180 because reason angle sum property. Okay, x plus y is z already we wrote. So z plus z is equal to 180. 2z is equal to 180. Z is equal to 90. Hence, he's asking to prove that one of them is 90. Pakka. Over. Okay, children, there is a small. Can a triangle have two right angles, children? Can a triangle have two right angles?
No, sir.
No, sir,
No.
it's not possible.
Not because 90 plus 90, 180 is over. What about third one? No, not possible. Two triangle cannot have two right angles. Next one is asking, can a right angle have two acute angles?
Yes,
This
yes, sir.
is 20, this is 30. Imagine 20, 30, 50. So this will be 40. Yes, it can have. Two acute angles, it's possible. Yes. Two acute angles. Acute means less than 90. Acute means less than 90. Two acute angles possible means yes, it is possible. All angles less than 60 degrees, is it possible, children? Yes, see here it is possible.
Yes, sir.
No. One
Sir,
second,
no,
one
sir,
second.
it's
No,
not
no,
possible,
no.
sir.
20 plus 30 is 50. This is
50 plus
130.
40, 90. It's not possible.
Not
sir.
possible. None. No. All angles less than 60 means, see children, 60 into 3 is 180. If all of them are less than 60, you can't go to 180. If 180 is not satisfying, it is not possible. Third one is not possible. You should think, children. You should think. Okay. Two obtuse angles, is it possible, children? More than 90?
No, sir. No, sir.
Two 90s only not possible. How can two more than 90s are possible, children? Try to understand. Two 90s only not possible. How can two more than 90s possible, children? No, it's not possible. Okay, children. Next one, children. Yeah, children, next one. All angles more than 60, is it possible, children? 60
Yes, sir. It is
no,
possible.
not possible. No. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180.
Okay, okay.
All
Sorry,
are
sir.
more than 60, then it will go beyond 180. Not possible. Children, 60, 60, 60, only 180. All more than 60 means it will go beyond 180. No, not possible. Next, all angles equal to 60, is it possible, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's possible.
Such type of triangle is called?
Equilateral triangle.
All
Equilateral
angles are equal,
triangle.
equilateral triangle. All angles are equal, equilateral triangle. All angles are equal, equilateral triangle. Yeah, next one. Go to seventh sum, children. Seventh sum. Children, the angles of triangle are arranged in ascending order of magnitude if the difference between two of them is 10. Children, they are in ascending order. Ascending order means one is x, another one is x plus 10, another one is x plus 20. Because this and this is 10 difference, this and this is 10 difference. Okay, children. So all are arranged in ascending order. In distance, difference between them is 10, 10. This and this 10, this and this 10. No, each angle is how much? How you will find out, children? X plus 10 plus x plus 20. Okay, so 3x plus 30 is equal to 180 angle sum property. If you don't write the reason, no. And remember, children, without figure, if you do the sum, you will never get marks, children, because you will think that you copied. Because without sum, without figure, how you can do? It's not possible. Please draw figure, all of you. And x is equal to 50. If one angle is 50, other one is 50 plus 10, 60, and other one is 50 plus 20, 70. See, 50, 60, 70, all are difference between all of them is 10 degrees. You should understand, children. Next up, ABC is triangle. All of you should see, children. ABC is a triangle in which A is equal to 72 degrees. Please, children, all of you should consider. The internal bisectors of B, C, and meet at O. This is a bisector, this is a bisector, this is meeting what? O. Okay, find the angle. This angle you should find out. Okay, these are angle bisectors. Children, this is x means this is the O. Sorry, already x I given. If this is y, this is y. If this is z, this is z. He's asking what is x. Those who did not understand, again I am drawing big figure. Again I am drawing big figure. A is equal to 72 degrees. Children, this is a bisector. This is a bisector. What is a bisector? Which divides into equal angles. This is y, this is also y. If this is z, this is also z, children. And he's asking how much is x. BOC is how much. And these both are angle bisectors. BO and CO are angle bisectors. BO and CO are angle bisectors, children. Please see here, children. 72 plus, all of you see, children, 72 plus 2y, B, instead of B, I'm writing 2y, plus 2z is equal to 180 plus 2z. 72 plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 180. Can anyone say what is the condition I wrote? Condition?
Angle sum property, sir.
Angle sum property.
Very good. 72 plus B plus C is equal to 180. B I wrote as 2y, C I wrote as 2z. 72 I'm taking here, children. 2y plus 2z is equal to 102.
102.
2 common.
2
you
we
take
need
y,
to take in common.
102. Y plus z is how much,
Sir,
children?
108.
108.
Yes, sir. 108.
Yeah, 108. 108. 108 by 2 is how much, children? 54 degrees. So, children, only this
Substitution.
plus only this is 108. Now, apply, all of you see, children, apply angle sum property for OBC. OBC. What is OBC, children? X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180. Okay, children. Y plus Z is equal to 54. X plus 54 is 180 minus 54. Okay, children, x is equal to 6.
126.
126 degrees. So angle BOC is equal to 126 degrees. Please, very, very important. Some children, this is angle by sector, angle by sector. Instead of B, I wrote 2y. Instead of C, I wrote 2z. Then x, y plus z, I found out as 54. Now x plus y plus z is equal to 180. X plus 54 is 180. So you have to do like this, children. Be careful, children. Very, very important, some children. Very, very important. Sum. Practice 3-4 times, children. Like this sums are very, very important. Children, if people are not small kids, children, you are in 9th class, you have to practice the sums. Whenever I am telling on the same thing, you have to practice again and again. If you don't practice in the initial stages, later on it will become very difficult because huge portion will pile up and accumulate. Children. Now, all I'm saying, keep practicing sums daily basis, again and again. Next one, children, 9th sum. 9th sum, I'm saying, children, all of you please see, children, 9th sum. The bisectors of base angles of triangle cannot enclose a right angle in any case. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is bisector, this is bisector. This, children, he is saying, if the bisectors of base angles of triangle enclose, the bisectors of base angles of a triangle cannot enclose a right angle in any case. He is asking to prove that it cannot be 90 degrees. He is saying this cannot be 90 degrees. Let us try, children. Let us try. But he should give some of the bisectors of base angles of triangle. Okay, let us try, children. Okay, so children, this is x, this is x, this is y, this is y. Okay, children, please see here, children. Please see here. So a plus c sum to x plus 2y is equal to 1. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus a. Okay, children. X plus y is equal to 180 minus a by 2. Please see, children, x plus y is equal to 180 by 2 minus a by 2. X plus y is equal to 90 minus a by 2. Please see, children. Now suppose we have to find out angle O. Only angle O, children. Angle O. If you want angle O, apply angle sum property for angle O. Apply angle sum property for OBC. Okay, children. This is angle O plus x plus y is equal to 180. Angle O plus x plus y is equal to 180. Angle O plus x plus y, how much we got, children? 90 minus a by 2. 90 minus a by 2 is equal to 180. This I will take this side, children. Angle O is equal to 180 minus 90 plus a by 2 because plus 90 became minus 90. Minus a by 2 became plus a by 2. Angle O is 90 plus a by 2. Okay, children. So angle O always 90 plus something. Angle O is always 90 plus something. So it cannot be 90 degrees. It cannot be 90. That's what he's asking to show. It cannot be 90. It should be 90 plus something. This should be 90 plus something. It cannot be 90, he's saying. Yes, correct. 90 plus something is coming. 90 it cannot be. Please, children, you have to understand them. I'm telling again, you are not small kids, children. You have to understand. Please, children, please copy. Nicely copy, practice, analyze, try to think what we are doing. And the question, children, in the question, you should be very active, children. And the question, bisectors of base angles of triangle enclose 135 degrees. Prove that it is a right triangle. Same sum again and again he's saying, children. He's saying the bisectors enclose 135 degrees. Children, this is 135 degrees, he's saying. This is 135 degrees. Prove that triangle is right triangle. Means angle A 90 degrees, we have to prove. That's all. Required to prove this. Angle A is 90 degrees. Right triangle means 90 degrees, we have to prove. This is required to prove. Let's check. Same sum, children. Okay. If this is x, this is x. If this is y, this is y. First step, OBC and doing angle sum property. OBC inside. OBC angle sum property is 135 plus x plus y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to, this goes here, 180 minus 135. X plus y is equal to 45. Okay, children. This you got. Now apply for full triangle. A plus A, we have to prove 90. Okay. B means 2x, C means 2y is equal to 180. Okay, children. A plus, take 2 common, x plus y is equal to 180. I hope you are able to understand. A plus 2, x plus 5 we got 40, if I know substitute 45 is equal to y. I hope you are able to understand. A plus 90 is equal to y. Finally, he is asking what he is asking. We got it, children. See here how much we got. A is equal to 180 minus 90. A is equal to 90. He is asking to prove A is equal to 90. We proved it. That's all, children. He is asking to prove that A is 90. We proved it. See, children, you have to use your common sense, children. You have to use. That's all. He is asking to prove A 90. I proved it, children. Please see. Please copy, children. Don't sit idle. Please copy, children. Everyone should copy. If you are not able to copy, at least take the pictures and practice after the class is over. But don't unnecessarily, I'm telling, don't ignore or don't do laziness. If you just behave lazy, all the sums will go waste, children. In triangle ABC, children, see here. There is a triangle ABC. What is the question? Is ABC is equal to ACB. This angle is equal to this angle, he said. He only gave what is given. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, he said. So this angle are same, he said. And the bisectors of meet at O. Bisectors meet at O. Okay, that is not right. X and X. Later, I will write. Bisectors meet at O. Bisectors meet at O. Same thing again. And bisectors meet at O. Such that BOC is 120. This is 120 degrees. Okay. Show that A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60. Prove that required to prove is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Same such again and again. So these are bisectors. So I am putting X and X. This also X and X. Why means angle B is equal to angle C given, children. That's why I am putting X is equal to X. This and this X is equal to X. B means 2X. C means 2X. So 2 to con X is equal to X. Children, I hope everyone are able to understand. Please see here, very, very easy sum, children. This is first step. OBC, angles and property I am showing, children. OBC. Okay, 120 plus X is equal to 180. This I am bringing here. 2X is equal to 60. X is equal to 30. So, angle B is equal to X plus X is 60. Angle C is also X plus X 60. Now apply angle sum property for ABC full, children, full. So A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 180. A plus 120 is equal to 180. So A also 60. So it is equal to triangle. All are 60. Equilateral triangle. These children, all sums are same. If you can understand what is the simple logic behind my sums, then you can easily do the sums. Easy means easy. Next one. So 11 sum is 12 sum. Children, if each angle of triangle is less than the sum of the other two, then show triangle is acute angle triangle. What is the question is? A, B, C. What is saying is, if each angle of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two, if each angle is less than sum of the other two, if each angle is less than the sum of the other two, if each angle is less than the sum of the other two, then show that the triangle is acute angle triangle. Okay, sure. So what we write means add on. This we will add. So children, A plus B plus C is less than, what is A? Instead of A, we can write B plus C. Instead of B, what we can write? A plus C. Instead of C, what we can write? B plus C. B plus C. Okay, children, try to understand. Try to understand. Whatever, instead of A, I wrote B plus C. Instead of B, I wrote A plus C. And I wrote the less than. I added this and this side. This side I added, this side I added. Okay, children, see here. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, is less than, all are 2 times. 2 times of A plus B plus C. Okay, children. So this I will bring here. 180 by 2 is A plus B plus. Right, understand? 180 by 2 is 90. So is A plus B plus C is less than 90 degrees. Okay, children. Try to understand. One second, children, 1 second. So little mistake, small mistake. Don't get confused. You see, children, same. Add left hand side. Left hand side is what, children? A plus B plus C. B is less than. Add all these things. A is B plus C. B is A plus C. C is A plus B plus A. So, children, A plus B plus C is less than 2 times of 2 times of A, 2 times of B, 2 times of C. A plus B plus C is less than 2 times of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is less than 2 times of, this is 118. A plus B plus C is 180. So what is saying? If each angle, it's an acute angle triangle, we have to show. It's an acute angle triangle. Okay. So this is also 180 degrees is less than 180. So this, if it comes here, 90 and 180. Not like this. Not like this. 1 second. Each angle is less than the sum of the other. Each angle is less than sum of the other. 1 second. Each angle is less than sum of the other. This comes here. 90. So I'm getting A plus B plus C is greater than 90 degrees. I'm getting greater than 90 degrees. So children, see here. How I'm getting this? See, 90 is less than A plus B plus C. No? So indirectly, A plus B plus C is greater than 90. Now listen carefully, children. Last step. I can write A is greater than 90 minus B plus C. Again, I'm showing. B is A is greater. A plus B. A is greater than, or you will say each angle is less than 90 degrees. We have to show. Each angle is less than 90 degrees. We have to show. Each angle is less than 90 degrees means what we will do? 90. Each angle we have to take, children. So first time you take B plus C here, children. Or 90 minus A plus B is less than C, children. Or 90 minus B plus A plus C. A plus C is less than B. So I don't understand, children. What is I'm saying? You see each angle is less than 90 degrees. 90 minus something is less than A. Means each angle is becoming less than 90 degrees. So that's why, children, each angle is 90 minus something. 90 lonchi, if you do remove something, then you are getting A. 90 minus something, you are getting C. 90 minus something, you are getting B. Means each angle is less than 90. So on the whole, you have to show like this. It is an acute angle. Because each angle you are getting, if you subtract 90 minus something only, you are getting. So they are less than 90 degrees. So it is an acute angle. Go to next page, children. Copy down, children. Go next page. Children, next one. The exterior angles obtained on producing the base of triangle both ways are 104 and 136. Children, this is A, B, C. This is extended and this is also extended. One angle is 136 degrees and another angle is 104 degrees. 104 degrees. Question is, find all the angles of triangle. Anyone wants to give a try, children? All angles. I want this angle, I want this angle, I want this angle. Anyone wants to try, children?
Sir, can I say?
try?
Yeah.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell us.
Sir, 104 plus x is 104 plus y is equal to 180 degrees.
Y linear pair. Okay.
A linear pair.
Uh.
Y is equal to 180 minus 104
How much?
is equal to 7. Y is equal to 76.
Say this also.
136 plus x is equal to 180 degrees linear pair.
Okay. Okay. X is equal to.
X is equal to 180 minus 136
X
is equal to 44.
54 degrees. 44. Huh?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. 44.
44.
Now tell me angle A also. Angle A.
Angle y plus x plus a is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property.
Angle sum property.
44 plus 76 plus a is equal to 180 degrees.
Okay. A plus.
120 is equal to 180 degrees. A is equal to 180 minus 120. A is equal to 60 degrees.
Right. 60.